Profitable trade on the day in a choppy market environment. Underperformed the hypotheticals. We had some VPS outages that were down. Disappointed in my VPS provider today and last week. I've had some issues with that. So working on resolving that and creating some differences here in the outcome with those technical issues and lags, but still up on the day and starting out the week strong and adding to our gains from last week and working our way out of this drawdown. And so let's look at the trades on the day. The S&P was 7 for 9 on the day. Tick count trend. This is why we keep it here and takes advantage of this type of chop in the middle of the day. Called it perfectly for this type of scenario, for this type of trade for today. So good trading. You had 4 trades right here in the middle of the day that just did well in an environment that a lot of strategies don't do well. And so we're glad to have that. Cobra CT 3 trade of the day plus 1162.50. This strategy does not trade a lot, and it's also, I have the original Cobra CT 3 open code in my money management algorithm. So I continue to work on my money management algorithms, and the open code for this original strategy is in the money management algorithm members area. I'll be updating it to include the latest version as well for Cobra CT3. So once again, it doesn't trade much, but it has a tendency to capture these V reversals when it does. Tick fader took the short trade. Tick wave lost. More of a momentum trade. Opening chop was profitable. Took that short trade. And then we had opening chop 2, which was even more profitable, plus 725. And then we had tick chop, which was also profitable. Chopper strategies winning today. Counter trend strategy winning today. Tick counter trend turnaround dynamic. We missed this trade. The VPS was out, and I was manually entering trades, and some of these got away from me pretty quickly, and so missed this first trade. And then this was down minus 425 on the day. Tick wave down on the day. And mirror was up on the day, capturing the opening mean reversion type gap fill trade. And what you have to pay attention to in this market is the afternoon rallies continue to persist. We keep seeing these afternoon rallies. That's a sign of a lot of liquidity that wants to buy this market that's traditionally associated with bull markets. And so the fundamentals are confusing, and you just have to stay with the technicals. We just trade the technicals, whether we think the market should go down because of fundamentals, but it goes up instead. We want to just trade price action versus fighting the tape because it's wrong based on what we think the fundamentals are. So we trade price action. We have long trades, we have short trades, we have chop trades. We're very short term, and we capture patterns in this type of market. Nasdaq was 1 for 3 today on the strategies. EVP1 was profitable today. When I say 1 for 3, I'm talking about the strategies. So there was 5 trades on the Nasdaq, but 3 strategies traded, and 1 strategy out of those 3 was profitable. So one had a winner at the end of the day on EVP1, lost at the beginning of the day, but net profit on the day. Tick pulse, got short, market reversed, gap down, continuation, prop up, and then rally. And so this is a pretty strong rally here. We see a lot of gap down, prop up, but not usually this much of a rally. So we're in a seasonally strong time of year, and so Cobra CT3 did well in this type of year, in this type of environment, and the strategy did well overall. In this type of market, it's hard to be profitable in on a day trade. Obviously, if you could see this afternoon rally coming in at, you're seeing this after 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you can see that, load up there and capture that smooth trend, obviously you could do really well. I can't say it's going to be that easy every day. At some point soon after 2 o'clock p.m., the market's going to rally every day. I can't say that would happen, but it has been happening pretty frequently lately. You see back here, 145, the low is in, it rallies, and then 2 o'clock is right in here, rallies into the close, and then 2:15 rallies into the close. And so those afternoon rallies, the saying on Wall Street has always been Amateurs trade the open, the pros trade the close, and so what happens at the close on a consistent basis could be indicative of a longer-term trend. Right now, it is certainly the short-term trend, so watch for that. And those are the trades on the day for the first trading day of the month, as well as the first trading day of the quarter. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.